Now, is there a right and wrong reason what's next? You know, do I have to do that? I could hook up the light kit. And there's directions, there'll be directions, because I've got to put this housing bit down first before I put this on, before I slide the glass on. I'm going to choose to do that last. Okay, I'm going to choose to get up there and do the wiring now. But could I do all the light kit first? Yeah, I probably could, but on this particular one, but I'm not going to. And let's just talk about that too. Lots of light fixtures at this point might be the ones where you put the motor up and the knuckle and the extension rod and all that without putting the ceiling fan blades in. Okay, that's when I would do the rest of the electrical up above, get the canopy pushed up, and then at that point I would work myself down. I'd install the ceiling fan blades and then install the brackets. I'd do the fan blade to the bracket down on the floor. Then I do the bracket with the fan blade already attached, hold it up there and tighten it up. Hold the next one up there, tighten it up. Hold the next one, and do that before putting on the electrical light kit and all that kind of stuff. So each ceiling fan is slightly done a little bit different, but hey, they all go together. You read the directions, you follow the directions step by step. You can do it. I know you can. Well, I can cross that one off my list. That's all I got for this time. But I'll be back with more videos.